Hello and welcome back. This is an update for the Fire and Ice Project Pan. This was started by Rebekah and it's a Pantastic Ladies collab. So here we go. So this isn't the most amazing update ever, but I have a little bit of progress, so I figured I'd just show you anyway. First up, this is a fire product. It's the Bronze Goddess lotion by Estee Lauder, and I am now halfway through it. I wasn't quite halfway at the last update. But I haven't been using this that much because it's summer and my skin is not as dry. So that's that. But this smells so good. This is like the perfect beachy summer scent. I really like it. Okay, next up, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I have expanded the pan. Not a ton. It's kind of getting to the point where this part is like thicker, so it's not getting pan as quickly. But I really like this bronzer. It would be great if I could finish this by the end of the year. Panning bronzers is hard, but we'll see. I will try. And then from the last update, I had hit pan on Pink Heart in the Moonchild palette. This is an ice item, and I haven't used it since then. I got a new glow kit, so that's okay. My goal was just to hit pan. And then my goal was to also hit pan on Summer from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I did do that. I haven't used it since then either. I just wanted to hit pan, but I'm very happy with that. And then the last highlighter is this Kathleen Lights and Makeup Geek palette, which gets so powdery. I wanted to hit pan on this one, but I've only used it a couple of times because I've been so focused on the highlighter in my drop 10 before summer. But I've been making really good progress on that. And I have another highlighter in a project pan, so no wonder. I need to focus on this for the next month. So that is my goal, at least to get like a really good dip in it, and then maybe hit pan by the finale. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, that is my Fire and Ice Project Pan update, and thanks for watching.